We figured we could pull it and make some real investments. It's not like you were using it. I couldn't breathe. I was shaking so bad, I dropped the phone. What Ray didn't know is that I'd gotten suspicious a few weeks ago. There were weird comments, hints dropped, conversations that ended the moment I entered the room. So I'd started documenting. I had screenshots, bank notifications, a recording of Ray saying something about accessing your account. I had emails he forwarded to himself from my computer about the insurance. I also had a cousin, Aaron, who works in financial investigations. I called him in tears. He said, "Do not confront them. Let me handle this." He looped in people and told me to sit still, keep acting normal. For 3 weeks, I gathered info, every whisper, every suspicious withdrawal, every shady Venmo note, all of it went straight to Aaron and his team.